أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان. الشمس والقمر بحسبان والنجم والشجر يسجدان والسماء رفعها ووضع الميزان ألا تطغوا في الميزان وأقيموا الوزن بالقسط ولا تخسروا الميزان والأرض وضعها للأنام فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام والحب ذو العصف والريحان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hafiz Abdul Rahman Javed. I studied in Hifz campus of Darussalam School. I am 12 years old. I had taken admission in 5th class in Darussalam and completed my Hifz within the period of 2 years and 2 months. Subsequently, I also completed my 7th class. During these 3 years, I remained the topper of my school. Now, I cleared written test to take admission in PAF College Sargodha, Military College Murree and Military College Jhelum. Now, I have taken admission in Military College Jhelum. I thank Darussalam School for providing me such a great standard of education that helps me in fulfilling my dream. My school thanks to you.